In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cartoon animation in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a great animated template and make it your own with clear, polished edits. Start by opening Canva and heading to the Templates area on the homepage. This is where Canva keeps its full library of ready-made designs. Templates are a fast way to work because they already include coordinated colors, typography, and, in this case, built-in motion. Once you're in Templates, look for the search bar at the top. Type cartoon animation into the search bar and press Enter. Canva will load a variety of animated designs, from short video posts and stories to full-width landscape videos. You'll notice different sizes and themes, playful characters, flat illustrations, and bold text scenes, so you can match the vibe you're going for without starting from a blank canvas. Take a moment to browse through the template options. Check the format and aspect ratio so it suits where you plan to share it, like vertical for stories or horizontal for standard videos. Click on any option to preview a few pages and see how the motion feels. Look for smooth transitions, readable text, and a style that fits your brand or message. If you see a small label indicating it's a premium asset, that simply means it requires a paid plan. Otherwise, many strong choices are available to everyone. When you've found one you like, click Customize this template. This opens the design in the Canva editor with all pages and animations ready to adjust. The editor layout is straightforward. Pages or scenes are listed on the side, your canvas is in the center, and tools sit across the top. Now make the template yours. Click on any text and rewrite it with your message. Keep headlines short and clear so they animate cleanly, and adjust font size if lines wrap awkwardly. Update colors using the color picker to match your palette. Changing a main color often updates similar elements for consistency. If your template includes characters or decorative shapes, you can recolor or resize them to balance the layout. Refine the motion by selecting a page or element and checking its animation settings. You can choose a different entrance style or ease if it fits better, and you can adjust scene duration so viewers have enough time to read. Reorder scenes by dragging them, and use the play or preview button to watch everything flow together. That's it, your cartoon animation is customized and ready to share after a quick final review.